Instantly AI Tutorial 2024 Best Cold Email Software. In this video, we're going to be talking about Instantly AI and how this platform is the best cold email software out there for you because it gives you great leads, great contacts, and it's great for setting up meetings. Okay, so it's basically just another great contact generator where you can simply send out cold emails to people and market whatever idea you have and get unlimited amounts of sales and outreach. Okay, so to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to instantly.ai, which is the website URL. Now, the best part about Instantly is that no credit card is required and free warm-up is included. So we're going to click on start for free. Now, once we do that, we're going to add our name. Now it asks for our email. Now, I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but you don't necessarily have to follow this step. You can use any email that you think is good for you. All right. So once we add the necessary widgets, we're going to agree with their terms and click on join now. Now, once you click on join now, it should verify things and it should take you to the onboarding. So let me show you how it looks. So basically, this is the onboarding where it says, where did you find out about us? So I'm just going to go with from a friend. What best describes your industry? So it could be an agency, it could be an SaaS, could be recruiting or consulting. I'm going to go with agency and click on continue. Now, once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. Now, the email verification process is pretty simple. You're simply going to open up your email. Now, if the email hasn't reached your inbox, it might be in the spam because every time I've created an account with Instantly or any cold email software out there, mostly the emails do arrive straight into my spam inbox, all right? But in the case that it has not arrived in your spam folder, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and ask the people at Instantly AI to send you an email again. Okay, it shouldn't take a lot of time, and it's pretty standard and easy to do that once again. But let me go ahead and verify my email, and I'll get straight back into the more informational parts of the video. Now, once you verify yourself, it's going to bring you here where it's going to start taking you through the dashboard of Instantly and how you're going to work with this incredible platform. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how you're going to get yourself familiarized. So first of all, to start things off, here you have email accounts. So you can connect accounts to keep warm and send emails from. All right. So we're going to go ahead and add an email. Now it could be a done for you email setup, or it could be connect a new email account. I'm going to go with done for you email setup. Basically, you're going to type in a domain name for yourself and you're going to connect it. Or what you can do is you can customly do it through Gmail itself. It's pretty simple. You're just going to want to follow these procedures. Open up Gmail, go to the settings, click on all settings, and I'm going to be showing you how this is done. It's pretty simple. So once we open up our email over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the settings. Now, once we go to the settings, it says click all settings and click the forwarding and pop IMAP tab. So see all settings. And once you go to see all settings, again, you're going to go over to the pop and IMAP tab. Now, the pop and IMAP tab basically takes you to the section where you can simply get the IMAP access. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. And once we come here, we're going to enable IMAP. And once you enable IMAP, you're going to click on Save Changes, and you're pretty much good to go. So once this is done, it's going to ask you for verification. Okay, so make sure to double check the verification bit. So we're going to go straight into the loading section over here, and it's going to verify things from us. And once everything is verified, you're pretty much good to go. Now, once we have done that, you're going to connect your account over here. And once you've connected your account, from there, we're going to go to the main section, which is the lead finder. Now, what is lead finder? Lead finder basically helps you in finding proper people for the niche you're looking for. So let's say I want to search up job titles as CEO. Okay. Then location, let's go ahead with New York. Okay. So I want proper CEOs in, let's say, I'm going to go with New Zealand for now. Now we have industry. That could be any type of industry: agriculture and mining, computer and electronics, education, manufacturing, software and internet. I'm going to go with software, and I'm going to go with computer software and IT. So once we choose those, we're going to choose the employees. Let's say I'm going to go with 250 to 1,000 employees. And we have revenue. Let's say I'm going to go with 10 to 50 million per year. And as you can see, as we add all those things, it keeps, sidelining all the people. So let's say out of all these things, we have these leads. So chief executive officer of a company. So basically, you're going to see all their details. So it's a C-level company where this person is a chief executive officer. Department is finance and administration. Location, Auckland, New Zealand. Employees around 250 to 1,000. The industry is software and internet. And they give you the proper contact details for this person. So let's say I want this person to be a lead contact. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add to campaign. And once you click on add to campaign, you're going to add this person to a campaign. Now, to create a campaign for yourself, you're going to go over to campaigns and we're going to click on add new. So I'm going to just call it my campaign, which is the standard name right now. And once we go into the campaign section, we're going to go ahead and add some leads for ourselves. So we can either add leads through CSV or just to use the proper lead finder that we have over here. So again, I'm going to click on add to campaign. Now we're going to select the target campaign, click on add to campaign. And once you have added leads for yourself, you can simply go ahead and start editing the campaign. And you can edit the campaign for proper cold email outreach, where you can create a cold email that goes well with the actual niche that you're going to want to achieve. So once the lead is added, we're going to click on open campaign. Once you click on open campaign and we have leads over here, obviously, first of all, it's going to verify everything. We have the contact. So it's Darren Grafton, and we can see all their details. Then we're going to go over to sequences. So sequence is the section where you can create your email. So your subject could be, proposal for merger. Okay. Then you can start typing your whole email down here and make it look as good as you want. Or you could also use templates that they give you. So let's say I want a lead generation template, and I'm going to go with getting customers. So, hi, your LinkedIn profile was impressive, so I wanted to reach out directly, etc. So it keeps going on. And it's a pretty good, first basis email. So if you like what you see, you're going to click on save, and this basically saves your email. Now, we can also move over to schedule, where you can give your schedules different names, and then you have options where you can choose the accounts to use, and you can add up to, more than one account, which is pretty incredible. So once you've gone through with all of this, you're going to click on resume campaign up here, and what this will do is it will start working with the campaign. It will start the campaign right away, and you're pretty much going to be good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much most of the idea about Instantly and how you can use it. One final thing that I would like to discuss is Unibox. Now, Unibox is a section where you can receive all the email replies and all the messages from the leads that you messaged through the email campaign section. Okay, and all those replies will be appeared in the Unibox, because the Unibox is obviously, as it says, a Unibox, a universal box where all of the replies are going to be compiled for your ease. And you can also shift to a CRM section. Now, obviously, to shift to CRM, you're going to need to unlock it on the upper plane. But the CRM section basically allows you to go through the Unibox in a more customer relationship management. So yeah, this is the basic idea of Instantly AI and how you're going to use it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.